Moving on to the sides. Pretty sure these pop out. I've never done it before, but let's find out. Yeah. What do we got here? There it is. It's one little pin, and it's probably, I have to say, yeah, it comes all the way across. Oh yeah, that's easy. So look, it's not even yeah, you could disconnect the entire upper part. Good. And just go ahead and pull, and it sweeps out. Very nice. So I am gonna bet my bottom dollar that we're not gonna even need to shrink this, which is good too, because these are really deep. These are really, really deep. Like the Sonatas are stupid deep. And if you don't pull the seals, then it makes it a very difficult installation. So here. Right. Alright, so the bottom is held in by a pin, and then the top is held in with one of these clips. Can you get this out? Nope. There we go. Get back here. I'm gonna put that back. And probably same thing. Yep. Pull back here. Up and over. Let's pull both out. There we go. Yeah. There we go. So it looks like we're good there. I'm gonna go ahead and pull out. That's it. There's a lot of room to work with. You could even probably get a wedge, put it right in here, and then you'd be good to go. In case you missed it the first time around, I'm gonna go ahead and go over how to pull these sweeps like we did before. You're just gonna go ahead, the sweeps are in the door, and the door panel just goes up and over. So up and over, pull that back corner, and you can pull all the way up. And this whole section is not connected. Doesn't need to be connected. What is it? Is this side different? I don't know. Feels like it doesn't want to go, and I don't want to force it. So whatever. Pull the top, pull sweep from here, and just pull back. Contingency plans. Always contingency plans. It should be the same, but I do know that I think I ran into one car where like the process to remove the door is on or the panel or the sweep on the passenger side is actually different than the process moving it on the other side, which I don't know why they would do that. Not a very symmetrical process, but symmetry, that's what you want. See, this back door pulls out the same.